What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Sean Moss, back in action. Excuse the knife. This is Factor. No, I am not sponsored by them, but I seen the product on the internet. I said, man, let me try it. I'm on this weight loss journey. I gotta travel across the world again, passport Moss, baby. But gotta do some traveling and stuff, so I'm really trying to watch my health. So figure let me spend some money, see what these meal preps is about. So without further ado, let's crack open the box. Or should we open the small? Open this one first. Let's see. Hopefully it's hopefully it tastes good. You know, a lot of times when you're in your weight loss period and so forth, stuff be tasting nasty and so forth. Hold on, let me move this out the way. They also send me like a, make sure my background is cool. I guess, yeah, they also sent me it was delayed by a day. So, they sent me a extra little, they sent me like an extra couple, a $10 coupon or something like that. I ain't gonna pay for nothing. All right, so when you open the box, it's like this, it's like so. Open it, it got whatever this package is. Then it come with like, okay, it's like an ice block. Is this dry, clean, and dry, empty, non-tie? Okay, like a little ice box. I don't know if you could reuse that. Gift a free box. Shout out to Factor or whatever that's about. All right, so on the site when you order, they give you like a free shot or something or a free wellness thing. So I picked the turmeric shot. Is it focused? And then this is like some energy boost stuff. I don't know. All right, let's get into the meals. Chef, created, dietitian, something. And what's this one? This is Peruvian shrimp and red pepper Cali grits. For sure, I didn't order this, but this is how it look frozen. Can you see? Well, in reality, it looks small and stuff, but in reality, you're not supposed to be eating that much. You're really supposed to be watching your calories. Next, Peruvian shrimp, same thing. Spanish spiced salmon. I guess these sweet potatoes. Which ain't bad. What else is this? Peruvian shrimp. I gotta go over my order because I for sure don't think I ordered that many shrimp. And at the bottom of the box, they send another little block of ice, and it's insulated in this thing right here. So that's cool. At least you know it's coming fresh. Get that out the way. Shoot, that's why the box so damn heavy. All right. Next box. Time I had on YouTube, you can't play music and stuff. Right. Same thing. Metal brick. Ice brick. Once again, bam, we got the loaded mashed potatoes and shredded chicken. All right. Look like some goulash. But, it's really all you're supposed to be taking in, especially while you're working out. If you're trying to lose weight, so loaded mashed potatoes, shredded chicken, same thing. Don't look too bad. I ain't gonna hold you. Loaded mashed potatoes, shredded chicken. I think they got my order wrong. Spanish spiced salmon. Salmon don't look too bad. Another ice brick. Honey butter chicken breast. Okay. With potatoes. You see that? Okay. Spanish spice salmon. Got a lot of these because salmon is like, you know, it's a good go-to. Something to eat, you know? So like, boom. Okay, we got the honey butter chicken breasts. Yeah, so, not too against this, man. Not too against this. Honey buttered chicken breasts. Honey butter chicken breasts. Oh, another ice block. I will give them credit. Like, they packaging on it is superb. Look, little ice on there. What's this? Queso poblano chicken. Okay, with some fire grilled corn. Not too bad, not too shabby. Queso poblano chicken. Again, all right. And then, you guys, what you got to understand is, if you really you trying to be on your workout tip and so forth, you don't want to be taking in a gang of fried foods. You don't want to consistently just keep eating. More you take in, especially if you're not working out. Queso poblano chicken. Texas cheddar burger. So it's basically burger, vegetables without the bun. Texas cheddar burger. Texas cheddar. I get a thumbnail. And there you have it. Put these ice bricks back in here. I don't know if you could reuse these or not, but I don't know. I got room in my deep freezer. So, you know, you gotta take the kids to the beach, put that in the ice chest, and there you have it. So, I believe I got, how many of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18 meals. It's 18 days, so let's double it up or whatever and stuff. But my plan is, basically, my plan is to wake up, drink some coffee, do a cool workout, lunch, have a meal replacement smoothie, and then have one of these for dinner. And then, you know what I mean? That way I'll be able to calculate my calories and so forth. Less is always more. And factor in more workouts. The main point of this is to get well. You want to be healthy. You want to live long. So that's what I'm working on. You know what I mean? I got kids. I want to make sure I'm here for them when they graduate, prom, college. You know what I mean? So we're trying to be here for a long time. All right. With that being said, wait, how many times? That being said, I ain't gonna hold y'all up, man. Thank you for watching my video. If you ever thought about getting in a Factor or ordering from Factor and so forth, my link will be in the description. And yeah. Shout out to Factor. We out.